Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel Info Hub. In this video, I will teach you about fertilization, the fusion of a male gamete with a female gamete to form a zygote during sexual reproduction is termed as fertilization. The zygote formed during this fertilization grows and develops into a new baby. The stage of development between the zygote and the newborn baby is termed as embryo. Actually, the zygote undergoes repeated mitotic divisions to form a ball of the cells, which later on, during the process of the cell division and cell differentiation, develops into a new baby. This fertilization, or you may say the union of the male and the female gametes, can take place either inside the body of a female or outside the body of the female. So accordingly, this fertilization, it can be classified into two types. One is the external fertilization, another is the internal fertilization. If the fertilization takes place outside the body of the female, then the fertilization is termed as external fertilization. For example, in amphibians and fishes, external fertilization takes place. The males and females of the frogs produce the sperms, or you may say release the sperms and eggs in the water. The sperms then collide with the eggs to form the zygote outside the body of the female. And if the fertilization takes place inside the body of a female, then this type of fertilization is termed as internal fertilization. This type of fertilization occurs in mammals, birds, reptiles, etc. For example, in case of humans, internal fertilization takes place. The sperms, they are produced in the testes, and these sperms are introduced into the vagina of the female through pins during copulation or mating. These sperms, they are active and mobile. They move from vagina to the uterus of the female, and from the uterus they are transferred to the oviducts. The oviduct contains an egg produced during the ovulation, and one of the sperms fuses with this egg and results in the formation of the zygote. This zygote undergoes repeated mitotic divisions to form a ball of cells, and this ball of cells, it gets transferred, or it sinks down into the embryo while it gets embedded in the uterus. This embedding of the embryo in the uterus is termed as implantation. Then a soft disc-like tissue develops between the embryo and the mother. That tissue is termed as the placenta. It's through the placenta that the growing embryo or the growing baby acquires its nutrition, exchange of gases and waste materials between the mother and this baby. Hope from this short video you have understood the basic concept of the fertilization. Do not forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for regular updates. Thank you.